Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I'm going to make the simple inventory management system using PHP. So here you can see the demo. If you select the strawberry, I'm going to select as 1 liter, and these are the milk, strawberry milk, chocolate milk and vanilla milk. If you select as a chocolate milk 500 milliliter, click OK here. Strawberry, this is the one quantity, this is a 500 quantity here, this is the price. So this is the final total will be displayed over here. But if you are reset it, all things are reset, right? So you'll be able to select vanilla 1 liter and chocolate 2 liters. Here it will be display the price according to the product you are selected, and the meter and millimeter will be calculated and display the final total over here. That's very simple. If you click reset, it will be reset everything, right? So let's see how to do the system step by step. So let's go to the C drive, exam server, exam, inside exam, I'm going to htdoc. If you're not into exam server in your machine, you have to install them in order to do the project. So right click, here I'm going to milk inventory. Here I'm going to select the right click new, here select here. If you are not installed VS Code editor in your machine, you must install the VS Code editor. This is the professional editor for writing the PHP code, VS Code. Here click on here and you have to install them. Okay, after install them, you have to get the project into VS Code editor. You have to type the address bar on CMD, the code space dot, your project is open up the VS Code editor. Now here what I'm going to do is select the project. Here click on here index.php. You have to select index.php. You're gonna have a simple file. Right now here I just copy and paste it. I will be explaining it, right? So don't worry. This complete entire code, don't worry about that. If I take too much of time to complete the, if I going to write, okay, so you have to write a HTML tag, head tag and body tag, right? So here if you have any confused, I just write like this here. But first you have to write the HTML tag. So I have to write the HTML tag. So you have to type HTML. You have to select as HTML5 over here, right? That's the thing you have to do. Or inside here we have to add the bootstrap plugin. So how you are going to add the bootstrap? Go to the respective website, bootstrap, get started, sorry, bootstrap official site, the home page. You have to go to the home page. You have to get them this CSS and JS file. Click on here, copy it, paste inside that tag, go back again, click on the JS file, paste inside that tag. That's it. After that, I need a jQuery in order to do the project, right? jQuery validation will be working. So go to the respective website jQuery. So go here, jQuery. But in order to do the work with this project, is also things with the internet. So you need an internet connection. Okay. Otherwise, you have to download them, this plugin. Okay. Right. So here you have to select simple CDN. Click here CDN. So here let's go to the official site. Click download. Download. You can install npm install. Otherwise, you can the CDN part. You have to get the CDN part over here. Here this one. jQuery CDN. So Google CDN. Select Google CDN. Select the first one. Then only this min jQuery.min.js. This min.js file is important when you do the jQuery validation. Otherwise, it won't work the jQuery validations, right? Save all, right? Inside the bot tag, we have to write this box. I just copy and paste it this one. I'll be explaining, don't worry about that. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. The same thing you have to copy it here, type here milk inventory. So it's working. So it's working, milk inventory is working. Now validation will be check whether it's working fine or not. So is everything working? Right. Now let's go and explain the code. First what I'm going to do is a nav bar. This nav bar, you no need to type the code. This nav bar, you have to, this simple. You have to go to the Google and type bootstrap nav bar. You can have a nice styles. So if you have a nice style, I have copied them. Only copy them. This only get this style only. Here, that's why the danger, and nav bar started and close it. Only the adding purpose I have get it. Okay. The span tag I have used a span tag to you have to write the adding. So okay. After that, what you are going to, you have to do the break in between the your calculation process and the adding. So after that, we have to design the simple three columns. So we have columns. Your design. First, you have to write row. Row is started. This all are rows. Bootstrap rows. These are rows. One row, two rows. This row available three columns. Okay. So here the div close it. So here first column you have to give the name as div class call 5. Okay, this is the first column. The first column is starting over here, ending here, right? Second column is called 4. This is starting here, close it here. Third column is 2. We have created 3 different columns. That's it. Okay. After inside the column, you have to put the container. It's a container. You have to get the heading item. After that, you have to write the div class panel body warning me. So this completed div tag, this complete div tag, this is the first heading. This complete one, this one div tag. You have to yellow mean you have to set the yellow background. Okay, this one should, the item should be, you have to set as this success color, BG success, this one BG warning. So you just go to the bootstrap and check. You simple type on Google bootstrap colors, you have to check how the colors work. Background color, how the background color works and how the front end color works. You can check it over here. Go to the bootstrap official site and you can get the information. So if it is success, I have put it the heading. You can see it's a warning means a yellow color. Okay, you have to put the yellow color as a one. You can check here. Right, that's the stuff I did. Right, this one should be the black. Sorry, black. Right. So that's it. This is the color of the writing color. This is the background color. Right. After that, in the simple form, inside the form tag, here I've write the things. This one should be the strawberry. The first row, strawberry text box and drop down. So right here you can see this is user friendly here, mobile responsive. So here you can see here input types checkbox, because this is a checkbox. We select the item a checkbox. Okay, here you can see this. We have to give the common names for each checkbox. Here checkbox on cost, the value only should be strawberry. Okay, here one checkbox. Second one, the name is a chocolate. The value only the chocolates change. The common name are same. Cost vanilla. Right. So here label strawberry. So number, input the number quantity. So here this quantity. After that we have a select drop down. The drop down we have a choices. Value 1 means a milliliter. Value 2 means a liter. We have options. It's adding as options. So that's why we have to do it, right? This is a calculation we have to do it. The same thing you have to do in here. After that we have the input box. Input box chocolate. This one checkbox. Input box here quantity. This one should be the quantity here. This one the quantity. The chocolate is a quantity. This one should be the drop down. Okay, sir. Chocolate. After that, this is the vanilla. This is a text vanilla. This is a input box quantity. This one should be our selection option milliliter and liter. That's it. It's a button, add button. If you click to select the appropriate one and click the add button, it goes to the add function. This is a table. Booster table have to give the list out the products in the table. Table delete item price quantity total all things are you can see here. Item all this is a bill design, right? So after that, what you are going to do, this is the final total design. You have write the final total design. Very simple. You don't are able to, so all the source code I provide in my website, you will be able to get that. Right. After this is the jQuery part. jQuery start it over here and close it over here. Right. So what I did here is, here we have to initialize three variables. Total equals 0, total equals 0, price equals 0. When you click the add button, what happen is, check the input, name pause, check each function. Okay. So pause means this is a checkbox. First you have to check with the checkbox. Each checkbox we have to set the name as false. Okay. It identifies the name by the value. So here if check the check equals strawberry, we have to price assign as 300. If the price if it is a strawberry, if you check as chocolate, price assign as 500. If it is vanilla, price assign as 100. After that, you have to calculate the total. Okay, so you have to write the tr tag find quantity. What's the quantity? Okay, so here the option change. The option change means you have to change the liter or milliliter. If it selects as 2, it is approach liter. If it is 1, means it's milliliter. So if it is change the option as 2 milliliter, if it is 1, mean liter. That's the thing you have to put it here. According to the price will be calculated. If it is 2, it's a liter quantity into price. If it is milliliter, you have to write a float. You have to convert the float and the quantity divide by 1000. 1000 because 1 liter 1000 milliliter. Okay, into price. After that, you have to append all the product into the table columns. You have to append it. If you want to delete the product, the price should be reduced, and delete column it will be delete the price. Okay, delete the items from the list. Here the final total. We have to already create the variable about total. Here you have the final total. We have to get the calculate there. It will be displayed on the final total text which is B. Right. So here is append the table. This all things append the table mean item TBL item body. T body mean this is T body. So if you select this one, if it is 2, it will display. You can see it. 1 liter, 2 liter. It is working. Okay. If you delete the item, you use this tag to delete the item. To reset the product is a reset function. It will work. That's very simple. Okay, if it is delete the item, the price should be displayed here. If you delete the strawberry 2 liter, it might be wrong. If you delete them here, price will be 0. That's why this function will be work. This function, delete function. So okay, delete the item. Okay, so here the delete function will be work. That's a delete button. Okay, delete button. It's a delete. It's a column. So it gets work like this. When you delete the items, right? It will be calling this button. Okay, that's of the things will be work. Here this one should be the total. This one should be the delete function. Delete function. If you click the delete button, it goes the delete row function. It's called the delete row function. It delete them the item. The last it delete the items. I hope you guys understood things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.